Assalamu alaikum and welcome back for lesson 23. Recall that the word in or inna can mean indeed, but at times it can also mean that or if. The word sha means to will. Insha'Allah means if wills Allah. Notice that it's future tense. The word ma means do not. Secondary meaning is what. Masha Allah means what willed Allah. Notice that it's past tense. Try to remember that the word sha means to will. It's used often in the Quran. Let's see how the word sha is used in this phrase. Allah yahdi man yasha. The word sha means to will. Yasha means He wills, referring to Allah. Allah guides whom He wills. We hope this video helped you. Jazakumullah khair.